Have you ever counted how many candies you ate this week or how many hours you studied? That's called data. In mathematics, data means information. It can be numbers, like your test scores, or words, like your favorite fruit or color. Data helps us study, compare, and understand things around us better. We use graphs and charts to make data easy to understand. A pie chart can show how you spend your day, and a line graph can track your growth over time. Data helps us spot patterns, trends, and even predict what might happen next. Did you know? People have been using data for thousands of years. From clay tablets in ancient times to powerful computers today, data has evolved with humans. There are also different types of data. Qualitative describes things, like colors or names. Quantitative measures things, like marks or temperature. Structured, neatly organized, like an Excel sheet. Unstructured, messy but useful, like photos or videos. In math, we use data to calculate things like mean, median, and mode. They help us find averages, spot the middle value, or the most common number. Data is all around us, from sports scores to weather reports, helping us make smart decisions every day. At BrightCHAMPS, we make learning data fun and practical through stories, games, and real-life examples.